RBI's October 2024 monetary policy is here. Let's jump right in. The RBI has kept the repo rate unchanged at 6.5%. Despite inflation concerns, the central bank is taking a neutral stance to balance growth and inflation risks. So, no changes in borrowing costs for now. The marginal standing facility rate stays at 6.75%. The MSF is an emergency borrowing option when banks need quick liquidity from the RBI. On inflation, the RBI is still keeping a close eye. Food inflation may ease a little later this year, but weather and geopolitical risks mean that things could remain a little tricky. Yes, inflation could be sticky in the near term. The Consumer Price Index forecast for FY 24-25 stands at 4.5%. However, the risks of inflation rising is not off the table, especially because of the base effect and global challenges. But what about growth? Well, real GDP for Q1 of FY 24-25 grew by 6.7%, led by a recovery in private consumption and stronger investments. With rural and urban demand rising, India's growth story is solid. Investment as a share of GDP is at its highest since 2013. Government expenditure is expected to speed up, further taking economic activity forward. And there's no change in the overall GDP growth forecast for FY 25, which is at 7.2%. Globally, things are shaky. Geopolitical risks and slowing global manufacturing are concerns, but services continue to remain strong. However, the RBI is cautious of the global economy's impact on India. Banking and NBFCs are healthy, but the RBI is a bit concerned of how some are pushing for growth aggressively, especially in the unsecured loan segment. The good news for borrowers is that there are no more foreclosure penalties on non-business loans, and the UPI Lite wallet limit gets a boost with transaction limits raised to Rs 5,000. Lastly, the RBI plans to create a data repository for climate risk information. Now, this is a forward-looking move to address the growing importance of climate-related financial risks. So whether you're a seasoned trader or just someone who's looking to understand how these changes might impact your finances, stay informed with Paytm Money.
Investments in the securities market are subject to market risk. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.